Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Clear2o water system, and it says it's the best water for the road. So let's unbox it and see what's in here, okay? First you have the Clear2o inline water filter. Then we have the Clear2o dirt guard. Then there's a Clear2o dirt guard sediment adapter. Oh man, and what every guy likes, quick connects. And then you have the Clear2o dirt guard sediment pre-filter. So we're gonna open everything up and see what we got. Okay, I want to talk you through this because this is not what you get. This is what you can get. We actually met the owners and operators of Clear2o at the Hershey RV show. Okay, we met the owners and operators of Clear2o at the Hershey RV show, and we agreed to do a review on their products. So that's how we got all this stuff. We agreed this is not a sponsored video. We're going to give you an honest review, and we're not getting paid to do this. We agreed to test it and see what we think of their product. All right, guys, this is what we have. We have the pre-filter or the sediment. So this blocks out all the sediment. I will have to tell you what the microns is for this. So it's like a dirt guard. Now that fits into here. This is the top that goes on it. And all the instructions are here, and they give you a wrench so that, okay, I gotta get it right. It is an aptitude test. And you can snug that down, don't over tighten. Then simply take your filter, and I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure they recommend that you use Clear2o filter, but you know, I'm pretty sure they made it also, oh, that's the wrong way, also that it, no, that's right, just follow the arrows. There's a big arrow right there. If I would have looked, saw the arrow. You screw that in good and snug. This is the pre-filter and the filter. Now, I was wrong a while ago. This is not a quick connect. This is actually a 50 psi water regulator that they sent also. Thank you so much, guys, because I wouldn't have thought of that. I'm gonna actually put that on this end because I want my flow to be good till it gets to right here. I did not see where that needs to go in particular. And then they give you this to keep the pressure off of the end of the top, so it will, because you know it's a little bit heavier than your regular just filter system, inline filter system. So I'm going to put that on. And that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to read this off right quick. This part right here, the dirt guard, blocks silt, sand, sediment, rust, and other particulates at the 20 micron level that tend to clog up your filter. The regular inline filter right here is RV and Marine inline filter. Eliminates sulfur odors, reduces contaminants, and blocks solid carbon. Okay, I have everything set up. I like to use a Y here, a splitter, because if I need to run another hose, or I use this for the black tank flush side, so I don't have to disconnect this just to do that. So now I'm gonna hook the hose up to it. So now we're gonna turn it on and see if we got any leaks. Got one right off the bat. I didn't snug it down. don't see any leaks. So here I'm running some water, and it actually, the water pressure is about the same as what it was with the other filter. I'm not doing this scientifically to see what the water pressure was before, after. I know that would be cool, but I don't have anything to check that. I just know that we got good water pressure based on what we had before. So that is the install and the putting together, so to speak, of this Clear2o system. As we use it, I will let you know what we think, and yeah, I like it. So guys, this is the second trip that we've been able to use this Clear2o water filter system, and we have a link in our bio, and also you'll see a video coming out, just me talking about it, what we think of it so far.